Here is a simple way how you can back up your WhatsApp messages. For me, I use business WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp, go to settings by clicking on option buttons. Then from here go to chats. Then click on chat backup. Then here you have to choose either you want to back up your messages daily or weekly, but you can put daily. Then after, choose your account. From here you have to choose your email. You have to add your email accounts. Then after you back up your email, you back up your message. Don't forget to subscribe.